Howdy do, how are you? Hi, my name is NyomiLeigh and I'm here to show you what I did to do this. I've had a lot of people ask me, what did I use? What? Is it hard? Well, guess what? Buckle up, buckaroo, I got you. YouTube Shorts only allows 60 seconds, so here we go. My first YouTube video. Hope it's informational. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna lend you into the deets. Okay, so Medibang is what I use to draw to make all the main subject. Procreate, just regular old Procreate. No dreams, no nothing. I don't got dreams of Procreate. Medibang I use to draw all every little detail of the subject, and then I separately export each piece, such as the front hair, the mouth, the eyes, the hands, everything's separate. And we go over Procreate. Procreate, we're in Procreate. And what you're gonna do is to get this little sidebar down here and to make the pieces into frames, is you're gonna go up here, canvas, animation assist, and that turning off will make everything as is, and then turning it back on will bring this up. Now it's going to be, everything grouped is going to become a separate frame, and the layers limitations is hell. It's a bitch, but it's manageable and it's workable. I was able to make this with the just regular old Procreate, just that little sucker. So I hope it helps. Good luck on yeah.